Poke bowls in the mainland is trash. It's pricey and overcomplicated with too many things in it. I'll show you a cheaper and better way to make it at home.
Hey, how's it? So today I'm craving some poke. I decided I'm gonna make some. So living in Washington for about 8 years, you're not gonna find many poke spots that kind of taste like home. So you know what? I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta make them myself. Now, mind you, this is how I make poke. This is kind of how I remember making poke back when I was at home. Shout out to Evo Beach, 76 South. Yes, sir. I took one drive. I went to H Mart and I was like, oh, bruh, they got this original poke mix. For a while, I've been searching for ogo, which is seaweed. They don't really have any options here in the mainland, and they do have seaweed here. It's just different types. But when I found it, I was like, shoot, I'm gonna give it one try. And it come with Hawaiian salt and all this good stuff. So we gonna see how good this thing is. By the way, this bugger right here is expensive. And don't mind me, because my pigeon is like kind of going away.
Oh no.
So we got the poke mix, we got some green onion, gotta have the sweet yellow onion. And don't come for me in the comments, because I like to put a little ginger in here, or ginger. Got a little bit of chili flake, and no can forget the sesame oil, because the sesame oil gonna bring everything together. Now the star of the show is the tuna. Hard to find some fresh tuna out here in the mainland. You gotta drive far back, boy. Nah, I'm not gonna drive to Seattle because that's too far. So H Mart got everything you need, cuz. So right now I stay defrosting some tuna right here. This one only costs $9.
Oh my god.
1 pound of tuna, and I'm only making this for me, so that's enough for me. So by the way, I'm only making oyster sauce poke. Let's dive right in. We gotta chop some veggies first. You kind of just don't really have to measure anything. I kind of just eyeball everything.
Bruh, you don't even know how to cut. Girl, shut up.
Then just throw them in the bowl, because we're gonna mix everything up. Next, the green onion.
I love green onions on everything. Oh my gosh. I need it. I need it.
You only need like that much. Watch your finger. No cut.
Ouch.
All right, now we're gonna cut some tuna. Make them to some cube slices. This part is pretty self-explanatory, but just try your best, because some parts of the tuna is hard for cut. I kind of like them this size right
That's
here.
what she said.
All right, checking back with the seaweed, kind of expanded a little bit. So after putting in the water for a couple minutes, it expanded, it rehydrated. Feel like I gotta break them apart. I gotta MacGyver this bad boy. Not gonna lie, this looks a little gross. As long as she tastes good, I
What?
can't complain. I don't know. I know this is dried seaweed, but it feels kind of artificial. I'm getting worried, bro. I'm gonna sample one just for you guys. Make sure if this is worth it to buy or not. It looks like the real thing. I don't know, this is looking kind of sketchy to me. I don't know about this one. Okay, the flavor is there. It's just room temperature because of, you know, it's been dried for so long. I feel like putting in the bowl with the tuna, let it marinate. As it gets colder, as I put it in the fridge. I think this bug will be cherry, cuz. All right, now I'm gonna toss them in. We're gonna put in the Hawaiian salt. Put the rest of this package right here. I like to put a little bit of extra red chili, add some sesame oil. Don't really measure, just kind of eyeball them. I like to add a little kick, so I add some of this sambal, just a little bit. And it can't be oyster sauce poke without the oyster sauce. I like to put a lot. I think that should be enough. All right, mix them up. I'm gonna sample this real quick, see if I need to adjust anything.
Oh my god, I'm in heaven.
Holy shit. It's tasting really good, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack this up in a container, let it marinate in the fridge while I wait for the rice to finish up cooking. Oh my god, look at that. Looks so fucking beautiful. Yes, gonna let this shit marinate in the fridge. Woo! Can't wait to eat. Yes,